Hello everyone, today I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. We're going to try swapping faces without using any powerful tools, and the best part is, we do it without any cost. So without further ado, let's get started. At first go any browser, then search for Remaker AI. Click the option, named as Face Swap. See? There are two image upload options available here. One for the body template and the other for the specific face you want to target. So, tap on the first option, then select the body image where you'd like to insert your face. Now click on the second option, then choose the image with the face you want to insert onto the previously selected body. Then tap on Swap to start processing. Anyway, you also choose Body Template from here for free if you want. Processing done. Now download it. Let's have a preview. See the magic. And for today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.